Well, welcome back to the debuild, rebuild of the GQ. Part 3. I'm going to go get me helpers. We'll get into it. Come on, come give us a hand. You want to come help Dad? No? Alright, so for this episode 3, we'll try and get those back doors open so we can undo the body mounts along the side of the chassis, pull them out. We'll throw some suspension at it. Now I've got some second-hand stuff to throw in. Yeah, we better throw something in there, eh? Righto, let's get into it. In you get. Oh, I can't get in there. Climb through, we'll show the people how to pull it apart. Big fella, what tools do we need?
So first you'll need a big Phillips head, and then you'll need a small Phillips head.
Yep.
And a Jesus clamp.
Jesus clamp? Isn't it for the Jesus clip? When it goes flying?
Jesus clip.
Righto, show them how to do it. What's going on? You stuck?
Yeah,
with the Jesus clip?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll give you a hand. Right, where'd the clip go? Told you.
Down there.
That's why it goes flying. Oh, we broke it.
There we go.
Righto. Now, we'll show everyone at home, if your doors are jammed, can't get them open, what to do. We'll put the flash on. There you go. That little annoying section there, screwdriver's in the way. Right, can you see that? If you just get your flag in there, push that across. Now we're in. Righto, let's get the other side sorted. Now with a decent coat of lube in there, and we're just working the locking mechanism. Righto, give it a go, mate. See if it unlocks. It's working again. Righto, next stage. Another part of our mission, we've got to pull this auxiliary fuel tank out. I think it'll be easier to chop those U-bolts. And we've got to disconnect some piping. Pull that out before we lower the car down. Finally, it's out. We can start pulling those blocks out. I've got one more mission. Take this fuel filler piping off, because that's been extended for this body lift. Righto, next task. Alright, so the boy told me I need to video what I'd done off camera, which was remove the grill. So now we can get those bolts out. We've got both back doors opening now. Ah, found you. Righto. Come on, mate. We've got to jack this up. I need you to pull these trims off for me, these plastic trims. I think we have to remove the seat belt. So slide that seat forward for me, and let's get into it. So a little tip thought I'd show you is when pulling bolts out, etc. You want to keep them all together. Just throw a cable tie on the end. Okay, we've got those trims off. Time to pull the bolts out and pull those blocks out. Well, with the body lift kit out, we just got to throw some new bolts in, secure it. Ran out of time for this episode, but we're going to paint up the shocks. I've got to pull another rear one out of my car. We'll use these second handies with a Dulux rebuild. Got to order a couple of parts, and we're going to start getting onto the engine side of things. So hopefully the next time we can throw an engine in. Righto. Dirty thumbs up. Hopefully you enjoyed that episode. See how we go in the next part. Hopefully we get stuck into the engine. Take it easy.